we want to look at various periods of the candlesticks. So say we wanted to start with daily here as our largest time frame. Then we wanted to go, well, let's not do that. Let's pop back. Let's start here with hourly. For our purposes here, we're going to make that our smallest time frame. The next one was going to be 4 hours. That's already set up. The very next one, and all you do is click on this little tab here. Or there's another way to do it. You can click on the periods and go down here and set it as well. So we're setting that daily. We're setting this up as weekly. Okay? So, okay, we've got this 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. We've got perspective here, and we're focusing on the euro dollar, US dollar. Now, something very important for us to do as far as customization is concerned is to go over and to save our screen setup here as a profile. And give it a new profile name. You can call it whatever you want. Let's call it, I've already saved this one. Let's call it EUR USD candlestick. Make sure you spell it right so you'll know what you're looking at. Candlestick profile 1. Okay. So we're going to save it. There we go. There's our candlestick profile 1 all saved up. Show you back what we would have looked at as far as default. There's a default chart. We pop back over and go here to EUR USD candlestick profile 1. Set it up as such, and we are more than set to go. Now, say for instance, we don't want to do candlesticks. What we want to do is we really want to do these same period studies in hour, 4 hour, daily, and weekly, but we rather do it in bar chart format. Well, we can certainly do that. There's two different ways. We can click here for bar chart, and as you'll see, we'll get a bar chart that's a multicolored type of thing, and that's not what we're looking for. We'd like more of a standard type of bar chart. So what we're going to do is we're going to roll down here to properties, right click all the way down to the bottom to properties, or click F8. In fact, I'm going to left click to make this disappear, and I'm going to hit F8, and there we go. Okay. Let's go back to black on white, like this, and click OK. And then up here, click on bar chart. And there we have everything set up as a bar chart for us. Okay. You notice that if you zoom in, the bars get thicker. Zoom out, the bars get smaller. And I'm going to make sure that's turned on auto scroll. Okay. There we go. Okay, so in keeping with a quick start, let's save this as a template. And I'm simply calling this one bar chart 1. So I'm going to save it. I already have one named bar chart 1. So for you, you're not going to see this message. It's just going to, you're just going to save it, and that's bar chart 1. So let's apply the template. Bar chart 1. Bar chart. And bar chart 1 right there. So we've got bar charts all around. You can change these colors, of course, to anything you want. This is just a standardized place for us to start experimenting. Okay, so we'll go over here, and what we're going to do is we're going to save the profile.